Hi there! Face here! Let's make funny sounds. Here's one. How about this one? Yeah. And here's one of my favorite sounds. Boo boo. That's the sound Binya makes. And you know what? He's coming up next on Gullah Gullah Island. Right here on Nickjr.
Hey there, Face here.
What about this one? Yeah. And here's one of my favorite sounds. That's the sound Binya makes. And you know what? He's coming up next on Gullah Gullah Island. Right here on Nickjr.
Hey there, Face here. Next on Nickjr.
Hi there, Face here. Let's make funny sounds. Here's one. How about this one? Yeah. And here's one of my favorite sounds. That's the sound Binya makes. And you know what? He's coming up next on Gullah Gullah Island. Right here on Nickjr.
Hey there, Face here. And now we're going to see Allegra in a story called Small is Beautiful. But first, I'm trying to see how small I can get. Here I go now.
Wow, now I'm a small face.
Yay!
I'm Face the small face. I wonder if I can get even smaller.
now.
Wow, I face the teeny tiny face now.
And now, let's go to Hummingbird Alley, right here on Nickjr Video. Hi there, Face here.
10,
9,
8,
And I'm counting down
7, yes,
to the big event.
5,
4,
The big moment.
3,
2. It's time for Counting Cora, right here on Nickjr.